Hi everyone, Reima here again. Today we are continuing our Stream Deck series and showing how to use it with Teams meetings. If you haven't installed the Teams plugin yet, let's quickly go through the installation. Open Settings from the gear icon, then Plugins. I already have the Teams plugin here, but if you don't have it, click the plus button to open the Elgato Marketplace. Search for Teams and open it right there. Finally click the Get button. I have this 15 button Stream Deck, so we need a bit more space for this. So let's add a new empty page. Then just drag the Teams buttons into place. Next up, let's copy the meeting link from our Teams calendar, like this. Then drag a multi-action onto an empty button. And then drag the website command into the multi-action. Let's call it Launch Meeting, like this. Paste our meeting link from the clipboard. Okay, so now we are good to test how it works. Seems to work nice. Teams opens correctly. Now it wants confirmation about whether we want to join the meeting. Let's try how many tab presses it takes to get to the Join Now button. 1, 2, 7. Then we'd press Enter. Okay, so now we need a delay in the command sequence to allow Teams time to launch the meeting. Let's set it to 4 seconds. Then we need a super macro that includes those 7 tabs and Enter. Let's give it a name first, something like Confirm Start, and then just record 7 tabs. And Enter. And let's test it. Yep, it works. Let's finish up our cool macro. Let's give the button a title. We could give the button some flashy color as well, like this one. Now let's see what we can do with Stream Deck's Teams buttons during the meeting. You can conveniently turn the microphone on and off from a Stream Deck button. You can raise your hand to request to speak. We can of course also throw in funny reactions. And from the panel we can also leave the meeting. That's it for this time. Hope you liked it. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. You can also leave a comment about what else we could do with Stream Deck to make work easier. Oh, and make sure to check out my previous videos to see how to install the Super Macro plugin and how to use it for more complex tasks with your browser and Excel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.